This is Pico De Gallo. It's a fresh salsa. I'm making it in a molcajete bowl. Today I'm making Pico De Gallo and guacamole, but I'm going to do it in a traditional way, in a molcajete. This is a molcajete, it's a lava bowl, and molcajete on the grill, when you heat it up to 500 degrees, is probably the best Mexican dish that you can make. But I'm not heating this up today. I'm just going to make this in a traditional way. The recipes for Pico De Gallo and guacamole are going to be below in the comments. So we're going to start out with some salt. This is kosher salt. Let's put that in. And I've got some chopped onion, roughly chopped onion and garlic. In that goes. Fresh salsa is the only way to go. And we're just going to create a paste with this. And I've got some jalapenos. You can use serranos if you like, but I'm using jalapeno today. And it just adds a really nice Mexican flavor. And again, we'll just take that into a paste. You just kind of move it around and now the salt will bring some of the moisture out in the tomatoes. There, I like that. That looks really good. And I've got some fresh chopped tomatoes from the global buckets. We're just going to grind this to the consistency that we like. And I've got some chopped cilantro. If you don't care for garlic, or you don't care for cilantro, don't put it in, but we really like it. And for spice, I'll cut up I won't heat this up into a really spicy salsa. But what I'll do is I'll hit some habanero into nice little small pieces and serve that beside this, for those that like some spice. I'm going to put some lime in. And I like to take just a little wedge like that. Some nice lime juice. And we'll mix that in. There, that's a perfect salsa. Pico De Gallo. Nice and fresh. Sometimes people roast plum tomatoes on the grill and do it that way. I don't care for it. I like a nice cold salsa. You can take this molcajete and put it in the fridge too to chill it down so that you can, if you want to serve it cold or at room temperature like it is right now. Now I'm going to use the mortar and pestle, and I'm going to take some salt, and I've got some onion and garlic. I don't always put garlic into my guacamole, but I'm going to today. And we're going to create a paste with this. You could add cilantro to this too if you like, but I like to sprinkle, we're having Mexican food tonight obviously, but I like to sprinkle a little bit of cilantro on top, just for flavor separation. And these will sit for a few minutes to let the flavors meld. There's a good paste. And what I like to do is, to save on dishes, just cross hatch it. Like that. And then just spoon it out. There we go. Just pops right out. And again, we're just going to mash this. There, I still want to have a few chunks in there. I don't want it too creamy or too much of a paste. And these are low-carb tortilla chips that I just cut into little triangles, and I just fried them in a little bit of refined coconut oil. So I'll try this. I wouldn't change a thing on my Pico De Gallo or my guacamole. It's just perfect, just the way that I like it. But if you don't care for cilantro, don't put it in, or if you don't want garlic or onion. But just make it fresh like this and just pound it. There you go. There's my authentic Pico De Gallo and my guacamole. Cheers. Thanks for watching.